How to update drivers on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you update drivers on Windows 11. So let's get started. First, you have to open Device Manager. For that, simply you can use the shortcut key Window plus X. After that, from here you'll have to click on Device Manager. From the Device Manager section, you'll have to choose the hardware device from where you want to update driver. Simply select one device. After that, simply click and right click on that. After that, click on the option Update Driver. Now from here, you can go with the any option like Search Automatic for drivers or Project Computer for drivers. The best way is go with the option Search Automatic for driver. Windows will search your computer for the best available driver and install it on your device. Simply click on that. After that, you'll be able to install the latest driver for your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So this is the process. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.